What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we're in Prescott, Arizona. This is Granite Mountain right here, and we're doing some cool cinematic shots with the camera, the drone, also doing a little time lapse for the sunset. So yeah, make sure to like the video and subscribe for the channel for more content like this. I'm trying to get into it a little bit more and do some more cinematic stuff. So give me any feedback or whatever, and I'll put a thing at the end of the video to check out my other videos and the channel. But yeah, it would mean a really lot if you checked it out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoy.